Good morning. Today we will discuss about the exothermic welding process. Tinatawag natin thermo weld. And paano nga ba ito gawin? So, technique para sa effective bonding. Let's start. So, ano ba yung tinatawag na exothermo or exothermic welding, sorry. So, it is a process of making connections on copper to copper, copper to steel using welding process. So, it is the process kung saan i-connect natin yung isang grounding conductor sa steel structure ng ating building, and copper to copper means kinoconnect natin yung interconnection ng grounding cable or yung grounding conductor, and grounding conductor to grounding rod. So this is the process that produces molten copper for about 1500 degrees Celsius, and it will flow through the weld cavity. Mamaya papakita natin kung paano ba siya nagpo-flow sa kanyang weld cavity. And it has a resistance of galvanic coupling and a greater mechanical toughness. Ano ba yung galvanic coupling? At ito yung ang isang condition kung saan yung two grounded systems are connected at multiple points, nangyayari yung galvanic coupling. So ito yung kapag may galvanic coupling ka, there is a voltage difference between grounds. So given that the voltage, magkakaroon siya ng unintended current flows, which is very dangerous. So with exothermic welding, na re-resist niya yung scenario na yun, no? Yung tinatawag na galvanic coupling. So yung connection ng produce molecular bond, o kaya tinawag siyang exothermic, and that will not lose over a long period of time. So in the Philippine Electrical Code, it is under an PEC to 2017 Article 2.50 to 2.11 A6C. Exothermic welding is there. This is one of the process on how to connect your grounding conductor and bonding jumpers. So ano ba yung common exothermic welding connection? So cable to steel, ito yung ating mga column na ikokonekta natin yung ating grounding conductor. Cable to rebar, ito yung mga reinforcing bar natin sa building. So kailangan din natin yung i-connect sa ating grounding system. Cable to cable, ito yung mga interconnection ng ating mga grounding cable. And cable to ground, ito yung connection ng ating conductor to ground rod. So ano ba yung nasa loob ng exothermic weld? At we have discovered to prevent yun during ignition ng ating welding materials. So ito yung ating welding materials. In actual, nasa tube siya na ganyan, and there is also this starting material. Ito yung nag-ignite ng ating starter ng ating welding material. So normally makikita yan sa bottom part ng ating tube kung saan nakalagay yung welding material. Mamaya papakita natin kung paano siya nilalagay yung welding material at saka yung starting material. Then meron tayong flint igniter. So yung nag-i-start nagsisindi ng ating welding material or ng starting material. So meron tayong tinatawag na sit disk kung saan naka-sit yung ating welding materials and starting material to prevent flowing doon sa ating welding cavity. Yung welding cavity natin nasa ito kung saan nakalagay yung ating conductor. Okay, kasi dapat molten copper ang pupunta dyan para mabuo natin yung exothermic weld. So ito yung magiging result ng ating exothermic welding. So exothermic welding process, so ito yon. We have 7 process. Makikita nyo sa video, no? So, dyan, ipiniprepare niya yung graphite mold and handle clamp. Ito yung graphite mold. Ito yung handle clamp. And then dyan, placing of conductor in the mold. So, nilalagay na natin yung ating grounding conductor sa mold. Nilalagyan siya ng electrical tape para hindi siya bumuka yung ating grounding conductor, and also hindi siya maganda yung sit-in niya dun sa molding. Ito yung clay, nilalagay din natin yan additionally para hindi yung molten copper is hindi lumabas dun sa in between graphite at saka ng conductor. So, nilalagay yan sa gilid ng ating graphite mold. So, kapag nalagyan na lahat ng clay yung graphite mold, ilalagay na natin yung ating welding mixture. So, ito yung welding mixture natin, nakalagay siya sa isang tube. And dandahan natin siyang inilalagay sa graphite mold. And yung ating starting powder or yung primer na tinatawag, nasa ilalim siya ng ating tube ng ating sealing material. So, minsan tinataktak yan. Ayan. Para mag-powderize yung ating starter. Yung ating primer. Minsan, mitya yung inilalagay nila. Kung may available yung mityan, tinatawag natin, nilalagay nila yan doon sa top ng ating welding material. Then, yun ang sisindihan nila. Then, nilalagyan nila yan ng space between that cover and the graphite mold. Then, this is the igniter. And, that's it. So, after sometimes, tatanggalin na nila yung graphite mold. Tatanggalan nila yung graphite mold, and ito yung magiging product natin. Ayan, ito yung exothermic weld. Okay, okay, that's all. So thank you for watching.